Hello friend, today I would like to show you how to make this beautiful large orchid arrangement and this nice wreath for any occasion. Instead of wreath, you can do heart, you can do square, you can do any shape you want. Let's work together. Okay, let's start to make this beautiful orchid arrangement. It's very nice and you can use it anywhere that you want for any occasion. I buy orchid from farm and you can see they are coming in tray like this. They have double, single. As you see, these are very interesting that arrived this time. They have a little baby that is crooked coming and goes around like this. It's maybe nice to use this kind that they have some smaller. We don't need to use a smaller orchid or a small plant along with our arrangement. So I'm going to use this kind. As you see, you can choose any kind of container, large, short, any way that you want according budget. Each orchid minimum of $10, $15. You can budget and container and then add to your budget that how do you want to price it for yourself. I'm going to use some of this double one because it's more elegant and more nicer. Also, there is some of triple I notice here. Actually, I can say they are triple, but some of them are, third one is here. So you can see this is very beautiful. I fill up my container with styrofoam, and you don't want your orchid goes down. I put paper, or you can use styrofoam. You can use anything to bring to the size of container of your orchid. I already pre-packed this container. I wanted to make sure all facing out as a centerpiece. Make sure they are straight and strong. Put it in desired area. I use this beauty also. Probably if I use 3, maybe, or 4, you see how beautiful it shows. Just little moss will cover all area. So I'm gonna use more, maybe another triple if I can find. If not, double will work perfect for me. I put water in this tray. As you see, they are leaking a little bit. They don't need too much water. It's very important how to take care of your orchid. They don't need too much water. They need according temperature of house or room or work area. If it's too hot, at least once a week they need water. If it's cold, at least once a month. They don't need really that much water. If they are in bark, some orchids are in bark. Let me show you while we are working. You see, they are in this kind of bark, or they are in moss. Orchid that they are in bark, they last longer. Orchid that they are in moss, they don't last because people by accident add too much water and they get rotten and die faster. I am going to use some of manzanita branch in center of this design. Manzanita branch, you can cut it shorter, longer, lighter, any way that you want. They are very beautiful for orchid arrangement, especially in center. I am using one more for this side because this arrangement is not one-sided. It's large and round and beautiful. Now I'm gonna look around to make sure these little babies are showing. You see I have 2 or 3 babies everywhere. And I make sure my manzanita is also in center, so I can open it and I can put clip anywhere that I want to make sure I secure them that they don't move. I play with it and I branch out all my manzanitas and my orchid. Now, I want to show you how to add some moss. This is a Spanish moss. It's nice and easy and fast to use. It's messy, as you see. Any floral design or any plant design, it's a little messy. Okay, so I go around the edge. I cover as much as I want everywhere. Turn around, bring your moss. Some of your moss nice to be hang. It's just kind of natural look you will give to your design. And those orchid that they are out, try to show them. It's very interesting the way that they are hanging out, like this part. Your moss goes everywhere. And at the end, put a little bit in center to cover center of your design as well. Make sure, just like fresh flower, when we cover mechanic, here also you have to cover. So you see. I think everything is good everywhere. You see I am turning around. I love to use this area, bring the greenery out. Make sure greenery doesn't cover your flower. Little flower everywhere, make sure they are not covered. Okay, this is almost done, but I am going to show you another design which is easier. I want to show you how to make wreath or even heart. You can have any kind of wire, this kind of orchid wire. You can shape wreath or you can shape heart. It's very easy with hand, you can do it. You can use a single orchid, you can use here. This is a single, or you can use box. You can put a styrofoam or moss or paper, anything that around you. But I'm gonna use this because it's faster and easier. And I think I'm gonna choose this orchid. It's a little bit longer, so I'm gonna put it in. And very slow and fragile. Be careful with it. So check the flowers. This one has those little baby as well, you can see. I'm gonna use this wreath in center. Go inside the plant, just push inside. It's a little fragile, so don't rush. Make sure don't break your branch. So hold with your hand. One by one you have to do. Okay, so I take this out and then bring this head. Actually, I have to go and bring the other stick out too. So temporary, I put this here with little clip, temporary. You have to be careful, otherwise very easy they break. Clip, put few clip, hold it. You see with my hand, I will bring them with lots of love and attention. You bring them the way that you want. I need more of this clip. Not bad so far. Now I am working on the other one. Again, I put the head first. I bring this one closest to the line of wire. If it's heart shape, you do same way, only two inside the shape of heart or triangle. Now you can give nice good balance and shape. Make sure all flowers are facing. I want this section to be face of my design. And then I put moss in the area that you cover mechanic, just like fresh flower, very fast and easy. Orchid, they don't like too much water. Very low, maybe about spoonful of water weekly, depend to temperature of the house. If house is hot or warm, you need to put more water. If house is cold, once a month is perfect. You really don't need to do more than once a month. Okay, it's done. Okay, this is our beautiful tall, large orchid arrangement and a small shape orchid arrangement. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe this channel. And I love to get involved with your question anytime. I am here to answer your question. Please subscribe and we can work together. Thank you.